it out of the box. I got rid of all the styrofoam, and let's see how this thing goes together. Toolkit. I got these hand tight. You can't get your wrench in there like I can. You can undo this bolt here to get rid of this this foam pad. Just make sure you don't lose this extra screw. Move that up out of the way. It's nice and tight. All right, I got my handlebars all set. Now for the battery. Open the deck and find a place to put my fuse. Two, so maybe they gave me a spare, maybe I need to put in two, I'll find out. Three-prong charger here. I have my port right here. See, it has a nice cover. Keep it out of the weather if there's any issues or puddles. Plug that right in there. And if you take a look, it says that it should show a red light. And then so look for that there. Once you're ready to go, it'll be green. So let's leave it for a few hours, come back, see how it is. All right, we're back. I got a green light here, so that means we're fully charged. Right, key in the ignition, turn to the right. We have our lights right here, empty, half, and full. And I'll give it a little test, and we have motion. While we were charging, I found this. This is a nice little handy piece that if you wanted to charge your battery outside of the scooter, you can plug this end into your charger and this end directly into your battery. Now before I take it for a ride, I just want to check the brakes. And make sure that this thing will ride nice for me. For the rear brake, I can see it, I can pull this in almost all the way. So I'm just going to take this, I'm going to back this out a little bit, be a little tighter on that brake. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Just pull that out, tighten that back in.